Welcome everybody, welcome to Pressure Crisp, and we are messing in the kitchen again. We're just having a little bit of fun. We're gonna be making, I had a bunch of these little Yukon Gold potatoes in the house, and I'm trying to use them up before I depart for Florida. We're gonna be cheating today. We're gonna be using Lipton Onion soup mix with olive oil to make these roasted potatoes in the oven. Let's make this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's funny because I probably talked too much in the beginning, and yeah, whoa, these potatoes don't exactly take that long. So we're just gonna chop them. I could chop them again so they cook quicker, so maybe we're gonna do it in fours. I missed having my Ninja Foodies with me. But yeah, that's all there is to it right there. You're just going to take that Lipton onion soup, if you can get it open. Just going to take that entire packet. Just going to put it right on the potatoes. Grab some olive oil, or you can use avocado oil because people say you're not supposed to use olive oil, but you can. It's all about temps. It's all about temperatures. And we're going to mix these taters up. And what you can do, which I probably should do, I think I'm going to do since I have it in the house, I'm going to take an onion. You don't have it, you don't have to add the onions. There are dehydrated onions with the potatoes, but always adding like some fresh onions is always good. I'm just going to go ahead and add a half. We're going to add them in pretty big chunks. Not too big, but big enough. I almost forgot to add them. And just give it a stir. And what I'm going to do is just pour this right onto, and I do wish, I hope someday, or if I can find one, if anybody out there knows where, sometimes I don't like to use dark cookie sheets, even though this really isn't considered a cookie sheet. If you know anywhere you can get like a light colored pan, it'd be very, very much appreciated. So we're going to go ahead and turn the oven on. I'm going to actually choose, let's see, function, whole roast, air roast. We're going to air roast. I'm curious to see how this is going to work. I'm going to leave it on 375. Now it's telling me to put it on rack 3. I'm actually going to keep it on rack 2. There's 1, 2. I'm keeping it on 2 because sometimes I find it's too close to the heating element. This is personal preference. And we're just going to go ahead and put this on here. Now you can go ahead and preheat, but I usually, like when I'm making potatoes and stuff, I don't worry about that. And I'm just going to hit start. So right now it's preheating. It's set for 30 minutes. I'm actually going to increase the time to 45 just to see. So it's preheated and it's starting to count down. I'll probably come back in 15-20 minutes to give them a stir, and we'll see where we are from there. So about 20 minutes has gone by, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So what I'm going to do, something just fell in the sink. I'm just going to give these a stir and just flip them over just a bit. I'll come back in like probably 10 minutes to check on them. Okay, another 10 minutes has gone by. And oh, a lot of steam came out. And look at this. Beautiful. So we're just gonna give them a stir and a toss here. So we have 5 minutes left, or a little bit less than 5 minutes. They look fantastic. Open it up. Woo! I just get steam with my glasses. These look fantastic. Let me check to see if they're done. I hope they're done because I'm getting kind of hungry here. Oh yeah, look at these. Oh, they're gorgeous. Let me get a fork and we're going to test them to see if they're done. I do believe they are. Let me put this back in. We're going to let that cool. We'll do a taste test. Not a taste test. I want to taste test for doneness. So let me see over here. I'm just going to chop this guy in half. It's like super hot, so gotta be careful. So I usually break the rules and just eat it and then burn my mouth out. Oh, hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna let it go for the 5 more minutes. All right, so the light came on. We have a minute left on there. I'm just gonna pull them now because they are done. No, I'll be patient. It's so hard for me to be patient. All right. Done. I'm just going to plate them up. This is about 1.75 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. They cooked on, oh god, let me turn it back on again. Air roast, 375 for 45 minutes. And look at this. Yeah. These are good. This is not a single serving, by the way. So we're just going to, I'm going to take a small one here. Do a taste test. They're still hot. They're like brown on the outside, and the interior is like that. It tastes like when you bake a potato. The baked potato interior. It's really, really nice. Super good. Super easy. The only drawback with this is cleaning that pan. I immediately soaked it, but I have to admit, I don't want to say I hate. I dislike strongly cleaning that pan. So if you want, you could probably put parchment paper down or aluminum foil. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notifications button, and stay tuned for more videos using the Ninja FOODI appliances. Delicious.